Hi friends, I am Kamaal Ahmed artist. Today I am going to draw Spider-Man. With color pencil. I have taken A3 size paper from normal sketchbook which is 180 GSM.
Not your baby girl. I'm gonna run my own world. Tell me what to do. She's on respect just like you should.
So let's start drawing quickly. Before adding color, I have done line drawing on the paper with HB pencil. I have used a photo projector for drawing. Drawing becomes very easy with a photo projector. And a lot of time is also saved. And the result also comes out very beautiful. This is also an advantage of drawing with a photo projector. The chances of making a mistake in drawing are absolutely negligible. So let's start coloring. First we will start filling the background. The pencils I have taken are dark blue, light blue, sky blue, yellow, and orange. Started filling from top with main dark blue color. My pencil is moving in horizontal direction. We will also add light blue color and keep mixing the two, so that the result of the sky is absolutely realistic. After completing the background I will color Spider-Man. Spider-Man has a mask on his face. Her mask has a spider texture and her costume has a spider web design. The color of Spider-Man's dress is red on which the brown spider texture is made in round shape and the color of the web is white. Now I will start adding color to the mask. I have taken a brown colored pencil with which I will create the texture of the spider. To make this I have used free hand drawing, which I will make in 2 servings. I will draw with light pressure first. And after that again with heavy pressure I will clear the texture. And now I have taken a red colored pencil which I will fill completely with light pressure. And after that again I will fill it with heavy pressure.
Time say that I can make it but I hit it on my line. I'ma hit my Scott strong it up but then I shine. Catch me every time I kill it like I do the fucking crime.
Now after that I will make the spider's web. To make this I have used a black pencil. First of all I will make its outline with black colored pencil. And I will also give a shadow. And at some places I will also give shadow with gray color and at some places I will leave some part of white so that it looks very beautiful and realistic. To make its background, I have used blue color on top and yellow-orange on the bottom. You will see a scene of setting sun below which looks very beautiful. Also a view of buildings and the city is also visible, which is very beautiful. The reflection of this background is also visible in Spider-Man's glasses, which is the life of this entire picture. And it is very beautiful.
Head in the glass, but my feet on the ground, so much on my mind, clear all the styles. Take a deep breath, feel alone in the ground. I'ma make them on my button, shout it out. One step, I need a little way out. Can't hold back, I'ma get what I want. Counting the stats, it's still a jack. Got no money, but I need a friend. Zzqc Jessiewith. Adios to all my boys at one. Stop, this is getting my way. Hand out, down, make my business not stay. There's your plan B, I did for the night race. My head is pushing on, do what that shit say. Ain't got no time for the drama. Bust it out like Rihanna. Feel my gut, but I'm never gonna tell me what's I know. You look so fine, girl, don't change anything for him. This love the roses in a den. My wrist, I'm bad. I trip it down and that trip it down crazy. Thought out of Venice, I upgrade it. Put it in a bed, scrubbing and ready. Back to the I'm myself, official, I'm baby, 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 na 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 na. I'm not your baby, 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 na 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 na. Now you can play with, play with, play with, play with, na 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 na. I'm not your baby, 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 na 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 na. I'm not your baby, 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 na 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 na. I'm not your baby, 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 I'm not your. Now you can play with, play with, play with, play with, na 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 na. I'm not your baby, 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 na 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 na. I'm not your baby, 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 na 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 na. I'm not your baby, 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 na na na. Not your baby girl. I'm gonna run my own world. Tell me what to do. She's some respect just like you should. I do it on my own. The time me down just like a tie. Start a fake shit, erase it. You know I'm more than flesh and bone. Stop, you still get in my way. Hand out, stumble in my business, not stay. Did your plan B? I did for the night race. In my head, pushing on, do what that shit say. Ain't got no time for the drama. Was it out like Rihanna? Feel my gut, but I'm never gonna tell me what's I know. You look so fine, girl, don't change anything for him. This love the roses in a den. My wrist, I'm bagged. I trip it down and that trip down crazy. Thought out of Venice, I upgrade it. Put it in a bed, scrubbing and ready. Back to the
You will notice that Spider-Man has a raised spider on his chest. Dark gray color with black outline and shadow all around it. And there is also light gray color highlight in the middle part.
baby, baby, na 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 na. Now you can play with, play with, play with, play with, na 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 na. I'm not your baby, 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 na 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 na. I like the times that I talk to myself. I'm not bringing it back. I'm just trying to make things right. Stick to my plans, I do it for.
And Spider-Man's pants are made of blue color with shades of black color. And at some places there are shades of blue color also. And there is also a highlight of sky blue color. Spider-Man is wearing a glove on his hand, which is in black color. And that glove has some thick rings and a design of fine bricks, which I have made by giving outline in black color. I used indenting techniques to create the intricate brick designs. Friends, I would like to tell here that indenting techniques are very beneficial. By using it, your drawing is made very easily and quickly, and the result is very beautiful. In future I will tell you in detail about indenting technique, for which I will make a separate video. You will see that on the indenting design made by me, I have first applied black colored pencil with light pressure, and then I am filling it again with heavy pressure. And you will be surprised to see that a detailed design of bricks is being created on its own without making any, while I am just filling it with black color. And the result is so beautiful and realistic. Friends, I hope you liked this video of mine. If you liked this video of mine, then please support me. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share the video, so that I keep making such videos for you in future also. May you all always be happy and enjoy. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.